Good morning, guys. It's probably about 10 o'clock in the morning. The winds are like maybe 35 miles an hour. This is Sunday. What's the matter, Rocco? Dogs are getting a little anxious. We wanted to bring them out for a few minutes so they can use the bathroom. But so far so good. It's, you can tell the winds are blowing pretty good. A lot of cloud cover. Winds are starting to pick up. You ready, buddy? Huh? You ready? Yeah, the winds are starting to pick up. Ready, Charlie? Huh? You ready? You guys ready to come in? Yeah, I think we should. And it's starting to get a little windier. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Inside. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Well, he went behind the couch. There. He's right there. But it's getting a little windy. All right, guys. Keep praying for us.